Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix this error on your NVIDIA application. Let's begin. First, you need to access your File Explorer. You can click over here or type File Explorer, open it up. Then on your this PC, click on it and make sure you will select your local disk C where your program files is located. Click on it. Then we need to look for NVIDIA Corporation and then NVIDIA Container. Go to Plugins, User, NVIDIA App, and this file, NVK or NVIDIA Storage, right click and delete this file. All right. So once you have successfully made the deletion of this file, close everything, reboot your PC. Once you're back on your screen, everything should now be working smoothly as ever. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.